Hi, Assalamualaikum. Good afternoon to my students. Okay, welcome back to our class. Okay, I'm teacher Atira.
I am teacher Sarah.
I am teacher AIMI.
Right, so we are going to proceed with our class today. So I hope that all my students, all our students will follow with our class today. Okay, all right, so let us get started. So today we are going to learn something very interesting, okay, which is in syllabus form 3. So this is us from teacher Aini. We do have teacher Sarah and teacher Atira. Okay, so before that, okay, let me ask you, what do you see in this picture? What is this? Can anyone say something like what do you think of it of this?
That's pancake, teacher.
Ah, yes, that's good. It's a pancake. Thank you so much. Okay, so what is actually the taste of pancake? Anyone know?
Delicious, right?
Yeah, delicious. Okay, pancake tastes very delicious. What else we do? What else do you think pancake taste is? Nice, okay, sweet, right? Okay. Next, what is the color of pancake? What do you think the color of pancake is? Anyone?
Brown, teacher.
Brown, right? Okay, okay. I can see there's Ida writing something and in the chat box. Okay, she said brown. Okay. Next, what is the shape of pancake? Pancake is what? In what shape?
Circle.
Circle, right? It's in a shape of round or maybe can be oval sometime when you cook when you not really cook well, right? And then the last one, what is the touch of pancake? How do you feel when you touch the pancake?
So
Fluffy.
fluffy.
Yay, fluffy, that's correct. Okay, soft, right? So that is what pancake is. So what are we going to learn today? So by the end of the lesson, okay, you are going to identify the adjective of food. And then you will replace a suitable word to avoid a repetition. And also you will be able to use a synonym in own sentences to avoid repetition. So later you will learn all this. Okay, so just take a note. All right. Okay, so let's get started. So what is adjective? So adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. Okay, describe a noun or a pronoun. So we use adjective to add extra information to nouns. Okay, remember this one, add extra information to nouns. So for example, the word yellow in the yellow car. See, the car here is a noun, but we add adjective. Okay, we add extra information. We use the word yellow. So the yellow car here is an adjective sentences. For example, the word another one. Okay, the word deep in the water is deep. Water is noun, but when we add deep, deep is an adjective. We call it as a adjective sentence. The water is deep. Also same with tired. I am very tired. Okay, so that is adjective. You use adjective to add extra information to nouns. Okay, can you do that? Understand? Right. So if you guys, okay, if you understand, you can maybe put some thumbs up for me. Okay.
Yes,
Right. Thank
teacher.
you. Okay. All right. So we move to the next one. Okay, we are going to do some activity, okay, to test your understanding of adjective. So the activity is you are going to circle all the adjective of food. Okay, remember I said just now, adjective, you add information, okay, you add extra information before noun. Okay, so you are going to circle all the adjectives. So I'm going to annotate I will allow you to annotate. So, all right. I think you can annotate now. So you can circle all the adjective of food. Okay, what do you think? Which one? Okay, I can see it's juicy. Yeah. Ida said savory. Wow, that's correct. Yummy. Okay. Bitter. Okay. Creamy. What else do we have?
Fresh.
Fresh. Okay. We have bland. Okay. So letter. Okay. After you've done. Okay. Let's look at the examples. Are you guys done? Done, right? Okay. Savory. Okay. I can see savory there. Okay. What else? Bitter. Okay. I think that's it. Okay. All right. So let's just check with the answer. Okay. All right. Let us check the answer now. So the answer is, let's check. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, you got the correct answer. We do have savory, we do have juicy, we do have bland, fresh, creamy, bitter, overcooked, and yummy. So all the circles answer is an adjective of food, right? So you have done a good job. Okay. So next we are going to move to teacher Sarah. Okay, she will talk about synonymy.
Okay, thank you, Teacher Atira. All right, hi. Assalamualaikum, student. Okay, I'm Teacher Sarah. So let's continue with synonymy. All right, so what are synonyms? Okay, synonyms are two or more words that have the same or similar meanings. Okay, two or more words that have the same or similar meanings. Okay, for example, the word happy. Okay, you can replace it to joyful or elated. Okay, and you can use this synonym, okay, to avoid the repetition in your writing and to improve your writing. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. Okay, how can we avoid repetition? Okay, so repetition, it is when something is said or written over and over again. Okay, for example, you can see in the sentence, food that are cooked with excess oil are considered oily. Okay, so there are two repetition, the words oil and oily. Oil is a noun and oily is an adjective. Okay, so you can replace the adjective oily to another word. Okay, for example, you can replace to greasy. So your sentence will be, food that are cooked with excess oils are considered greasy. Okay, so you can change the adjective to another word and to avoid the word repetition. Okay, next. All right, so let's do some activity. Okay, you can either scan the QR code or I will share the link to you. Student, can you open it?
Yes, teacher.
So when you go to the link or you scan the QR code, okay, this will appear. Okay, so what I want you to do, all right, so there are a set of questions here. Okay, so I will give you 5 minutes for you to do it individually, and we will come back and check it together. Is it okay? Is it okay, student?
Okay, teacher.
All right, time's up. Okay, so we check together the answer. Okay, so for the first word, spicy. Okay, what is the synonym of spicy? Anyone? What is the synonym of spicy?
Hot, teacher.
Okay, hot. All right. How about tart? How about tart? What you can replace the word tart with?
Delicious or not? Or not?
Okay, we try to put delicious. All right. How about brainy?
Okay.
How about brainy?
Teacher, what is the meaning of brainy?
Okay. I will not to give you the meaning, but I can give you some example. You can say the
Yes.
soup is too brainy. Maybe you put some salt in it.
Oh,
Too much salt in it. Yeah. Yes, it's salty. Okay. How
thank
about
you,
fattening?
teacher.
Disgusting. Fattening. Something that.
Disgusting?
Disgusting. Okay, we try to put it disgusting.
Calorie.
What about revolting? We move to tasty first. Okay, tasty. What you can replace to the word tasty? Yeah, it's delicious. Okay, we tried it. Tasty. Yeah. Okay, how about crispy?
Crunchy.
Crunchy. Okay, greasy.
Oily.
Oily. Mushy. And bland. Bland.
Plain.
Plain. Okay, now the tart. Tart. What is tart?
Bitter.
Bitter and revolting. Oh yeah. And revolting. Is it your final answer? Okay, let's check, yeah?
Sure. But I'm afraid.
Uh-oh. All right. So we got 8/10. Yeah, congratulations. Okay, so let's check. Yeah, our score is 8/10. Wait. So the correct answer is okay. So disgusting is revolting and calorific is fattening. Okay, congratulations. All right, so that's it from me. I will pass to teacher AIMI to continue the lesson.
Okay, thank you, Teacher Sarah. Okay, let's move to our next lesson. Alright. Okay, so we are about to end our lesson, but before that, let's move to our last activity. So you have learned about the adjective of food and then the synonym usage, right? So let's move to our last activity. Okay? So the instruction is rewrite each sentence and change the underlined word to a synonym. So I will let you guys to do it by yourself first. In 3 minutes, we'll discuss later on, okay? Alright, your 3 minutes starts now. Okay, I hope that you have done your part, okay? So let's discuss. For the first question, tofu by itself has a plain taste. Can someone tell me what can we replace the word plain?
Bland, teacher. Is it correct?
Okay, good. Correct, Aida. Correct, Afifa. Okay, second question. You can make the curry hotter simply by adding chilies. What word we can replace the word hotter?
My turn. The answer is spicy. Right, teacher?
Yes, correct, Atika, correct. So you can make the curry hot. You can make the curry spicier simply by adding the chilies. Okay. So the third question: she cooks delicious meat dishes and everyone love it. What we can replace the word delicious?
Juicy. Is it correct?
Correct, Atira. So she cooks juicy meat dishes and everyone love it. Okay, for the fourth question. Wow, this lemonade is very sour. What word we can replace the word sour? Correct, Atira. It's acidic. Okay, good. Good job, guys. Okay, for the fifth question, the last question for today. Chocolate and ice cream are example of sweet food. What synonym can we replace to the word sweet?
Sugary, teacher.
Okay, good, Afifa. Okay, let's check the answer, okay? Okay, you guys did a great job. So the first question is bland. So tofu by itself has a bland taste. And the second one is you can make the curry spicier simply by adding chilies. The third one, she cooks tasty meat dishes and everyone's love it. And the fourth one is, wow, this lemonade is very acidic. And the fifth is, chocolate and ice cream are example of sugary food. Okay, give a big applause to yourself. Okay? Okay, so before we end our lesson, can someone tell me what have we learned for today's lesson?
Food adjective, teacher.
Yes, correct. So I can see that we have learned about the synonym of food, right? Okay, so we have learned about the describing the food by using an adjective, and then we use a synonym to replace the word for avoiding our word repetition. Okay, so on behalf of teacher Atira and also teacher Sarah, I hope that our today's lesson is meaningful for you, and Thank you for participating. See you guys on the next lesson. Right? Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher. See
Okay,
you
thank
soon.
you guys. Thank you so much.